I'm no big advocate for jumping on the latest trendy JavaScript library, but at what point do you decide it's time to rebuild with a new stack? So if the question is, at what point do you decide it's time to rebuild? I'm hoping for your sake that that answer is very clear. It's not like, oh, I'm totally muddy. I just don't know if this other stack would be better. I think when you make that decision, you'll know.
Yeah.
It's obviously going to be better because you have these requirements and you can point and say, look at all these things that are just going to be better. And I also know because I've tried it a little bit and I just know in my bones it's going to be better.
Yeah, you can make a list like hard to do in current stack, new stack. How do those things change? Internationalization, DevX, speed, authoring speed, or something. Like you could just make a little chart, like a table, and list out the features or the things you're trying to get out of the new thing, and then list the problems you're encountering in the current thing, and then how the new thing is good, and then shop that around. Community is a big one. Like, I don't want to use something that's dead. Rails is one of those ones where it's like on the fence for me. Like, it does have an active community. There's a lot of people who made Rails apps, and so they're all, there's good people still around. I think the network effect is good, though. It's like, how many brains are on this problem set? I'm going to chat with a bunch of people, Web Components community group, right? It's open, people can join it. How many brains can be applied to this problem? Like, oh, I'm having a problem with shadow roots, blah, blah, blah. Could I get a response? Can I get like some feedback? That's a very useful metric in deciding on technology. But what you decide today and what's going to be true in 20 years is different, man.